Welcome to Pharmacist Michael's Happy Healthy Living channel, where you will learn how to improve your life, one video at a time.
Hello everyone, I'm Pharmacist Michael, and as I promised yesterday, today I'm going to make you an anti-inflammatory drink or smoothie, and I'm going to show you what's in it. First of all, I'm going to go over here to my freezer, and I always put bananas in my freezer for this exact reason. So this is one of the things that's going to go in there. This is just a frozen banana. Once they get ripe, I stick them in the freezer, peel them, throw them in the blender, and use them for smoothies. You can also make fake ice cream with these. The main part of this is going to be almond milk. You can use any kinds you want, but I like just the regular kind. I don't want anything with any sugar or any additives or chocolate or anything like that in it. Okay, so that's one ingredient. Then I've got 3 peeled carrots. These are just little guys. They're gonna go in this drink. About a tablespoon of peeled ginger root. This is one of the best things that you can eat, guys. Peeled ginger is super good for your stomach. It can help you with a lot of things, antioxidant, all those types of things. My favorite spice, turmeric. I'm gonna put an 1/8, or actually a 1/4 of a teaspoon of this in there. And because I'm using turmeric, I'm also going to put a little bit of black pepper in there. Remember, you need black pepper to help the turmeric absorb into your body. So just a touch of this. And then I'm going to add an 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon, an 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground cloves, and an 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground nutmeg to this. I'm going to put this all in a blender and I'm going to blend it all up. So stay tuned and let's see how this turns out. Okay guys, so I'm back with you now. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the ginger up. I'm going to peel it and I'm going to cut it. So we'll start there. I'm just going to peel this. Okay, so since I'm blending this is what it looks like. It's just peeled ginger. I'm going to cut this up into a little smaller pieces. Remember, when you're blending, you should always put the liquid in the bottom, right? Okay, so then same with the carrots. I'm just going to cut those into smaller pieces just to help the blender out a little bit. And then I'm going to peel the banana. It's nice to have a frozen banana because then you really don't need ice. So it's pretty good because it kind of takes the place of the ice and it has flavor and a little bit of sugar in it. And then we're going to start measuring our spices. So before we do that, I'm going to pour this right in here, 1 cup. Okay, and I'm going to put all of my bananas in there, my carrots in there, my ginger in there. And then I'm going to measure out my spices. 1/4 of a teaspoon of the turmeric. I love turmeric. Most of you know it's my favorite spice. Full of antioxidants. Can help with pain and inflammation, can actually even improve your mood. So because I just moved here, I have brand new measuring spoons. So I need 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and I will put that in there. A little bit more doesn't hurt. And to make sure I don't forget the pepper, I'm going to add in next. Just enough to where you won't forget it, you know. You don't need a bunch. I'm just going to put a dash of it in there. And then we need 1/8 of a teaspoon of everything else. So 1/2 of a quarter, right, is 1/8. A little bit of nutmeg. A little bit of cinnamon. And the last ingredient is 1/8 of a teaspoon of cloves. Ground cloves here. And then we're just gonna blend all this up. Okay guys, so here it is. A very, very, very healthy anti-inflammatory drink. It tastes pretty good. You might be surprised. You could add ice to this, but you certainly don't have to with the frozen banana. It turned out great. Give it a shot, guys. Just a few ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Get some almond milk. Yum. If you have any questions about this video or any other videos that I've put out, please email me at michael.brown@sunshinentc.com. Please leave comments in the comment section if you have things that you would like for me to cover in videos. Please give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. And send it to your friends if you think that they have too much inflammation in their life, right? This is really, really good. You will enjoy it. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Pharmacist Michael. Be happy and be healthy.